Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a flamingo. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. We're going to start with the body by making a curved shape for the bottom, then connect it with another line, making a line coming out, another line on the top, a line coming out, another line on the top, a line coming up, and we're going to curve a line right there, and you have your flamingo's body. Let's make the neck, making it with the S shape. See, there you go, we got that S. And we're going to make another parallel S going down and around for the neck. Let's draw a pointy N, one there, coming down. Drawing the bottom of the beak, a curved line going down, and the top of the beak, another curved line. For the eye, I'm going to make a tiny C. We're going to make this eye look really cute, and then a big C. And we're going to just color this in right now because it's super easy to do. And I'm going to close up my eye very carefully. Quick reminder, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause. Let's draw the leg. I'm going to draw a diagonal line going down and then another line the same direction. I have a line going down for the other leg all the way down. And we're going to draw another straight line parallel to that. And let's get the feet in. Make a little W shape, 1, 2, 3, and loop it back around. Let's draw the rest of our other leg, making another diagonal line, because flamingos like to sleep with their one leg up. Their knees kind of have like these lines around it, so I'm just going to show the joints and draw the rest of that foot. There you have it. Now we're ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with using. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.